Hey guys, Cam over at B&R. We are working on a '09 Corvette ZR1. It's kind of our holy grail motor in my opinion. It's a LS9. So our customer brought it to us, searching for 4-digit horsepower. What we're going to do is put a Kong 2650 blower, 102 millimeter throttle body, 4.5-inch intake system. He's going to go with a 275 pulley, and then we're going to go with a set of 1300 series injectors with injector dynamics, and then a DSX auxiliary fuel pump on the highest setting that we can get. I think that's 320 liters an hour. Really pick up the fuel on it. We're just going to tune it, change out the cam as well. We're going to put a stage 3 cam, test the speed, and a bit of ice to chop out of it, really open it up. So we're going to try and get it back to him and see what we can really push for powered.
I can't get on the rollers.
Yeah, getting it. So
Okay, we'll figure it out. Get up and disconnect with it.
looks like the timing cover is leaking that in there.
Yeah. Why I told you to get that gasket?
It comes off anyway, it's over tubing the front main while it's there.
Oh no, you gotta do it by hand.
Alright, I already searched the forums and ordered all the parts that we need to fabricate. That's not really fabricate, but route the hose correctly.
I wish you wouldn't take so goddamn long.
You wanna do it?
Yep.
No.
That'll do it, babe. That'll do. That'll do. That'll do, Duffy. That'll do. Damn it.
Bring that stuck on the tension.
Good job. She is. It's a boy. This is upgraded to. This is also sweet. And these are already modified to fit, so you don't have to use the. It looks shaved down. Oh, super. Dude, that's badass. That does suck that you won't be able to see it though. I know. It's such a shame that you won't see it. Especially it being like a cool fancy color green.
Oh, they really give you a lot of shims, don't they?
Yeah. It's interesting. Figure out which one we need.
The potential of this kinking up, like it did on that CTSV. I no. I got a hydraulic clothesline for it.
Ooh, let's use that.
Yeah, you want to?
You won't see it, but it'll look cool.
We really should take